This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 95 of Building Optimus Prime, the Transformer. In this issue, we're continuing the leg. Transformers at the cinema. Sir Edward Burton. Yeah, so Anthony Hopkins, of course. Rod. There's a robot. Yeah. Very nice car. The Machine of Machines. Optimus and Teletron 1. Okay. Unicron. Yeah, there you go. All about that. Autobots. Robots in disguise. Long live Optimus Prime. This was a Transformers Prime series. 2010 to 13. Turning point in the franchise. Don't know. Find continuity, different continuities and alternate realities and things. It's very strange. Minicons. Micro Masters from G1. They're just eggs that turn into robots. I don't know about them. Not anything special to me, those. Yeah, no. The left leg, part 9. In this issue, you'll add more parts to the lower left leg. Yes, this is the start of the ankle joint, I believe. Yes, so we've got a silicone washer to put, basically 2 bits to put on. Washer over that, ready for the next part to go onto it next time. And then very soon we'll be reattaching or attaching the foot. So yeah, we've done the top bit. The frame of the bottom bit is what we're sort of putting together now. Then the foot will attach to that, and then we just got the armour to add to that, and then we can start the right arm, and we'll be done. Getting very close to being done. It's quite scary, the speed you get through these, especially when there's 6 issues delivered every month. It makes the whole build quite quick. So let's clear it out of the way, and let's get this bit of the leg done. So the parts supplied today, we've just got 2 metal posts that will go together like that. We have a silicone washer, which will go over the end of that once it's together. And we've got 2 different types of screws. We've got BM and GM. GM are the ones that we're going to be using first. For those. And they are going to be holding on this part to the leg itself, which we've obviously got over here. Now we're going on to there, so I've got to get it from the correct side. It goes on from that side, on there like that. These 2 screws will go onto there. They will hold this onto the frame. Leg so far. And then we need to attach the other half to this. This is secure because it's obviously going to be holding the entire body above it. So that's that. That then goes over the top of it like so. And we need BM screw from either side by the looks of this. Interesting way of doing it. Yeah, so this one goes in through from the top there. Tightened up. Now it's going to be lined up properly because there's nowhere else it can be. And then the other one will go on the other side. I've got a staple from the packaging there. There we go. This one goes in down the bottom from the other side. That will hold that bit together. nice and secure, and then the washer will pop over the end around there, ready for the next part to add to that next time. So there we go. It's getting there. It's building up. It's starting to look more like a leg. So that's it for this time. We'll see you for more very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.